How to create Trigger campaign in Marketo. Marketo is a marketing automation tool used to run and track marketing campaign. To create Tigger campaign, at first you have to log into Marketo. To create a Trigger campaign, you need to be the marketing activities. Find your folder, right-click and create a new program. Let's call it my first program and add your name, then click on Create. Find that program right here, then click and select New Smart Campaign. This will create a new campaign. Let's call it my first schedule campaign. To create automated workflow in the campaign, you will need to modify at Smart List. Then target people that are member of our test. So we have to select the number of list, then start typing, and you will find the test list you created before test. After that you have to go to flow and create the action. So click the drop down and find an email that you have created previously, then select the email. The last step of the Trigger campaign is to schedule. So if you want to run it once, click on that and select your time and date that you needed. Then save it. If you also want to schedule recurrence, then click on that and select what you need, daily, weekly, or monthly, and fill up other options as your needs. As you can see, this particular campaign small timer icon here. That's how you can create Trigger campaign in Marketo. Thanks for watching.